Hey everybody, welcome to another Moose Made video. Today it's a bit of a gloomy day, so I've been wanting to remove the Resonator from my 2008 SL550 and see what happens. So let's get to it. Okay everybody, welcome to the underside of the car. So now let's take a look at the exhaust. So we go here, this is the front of the car, or you're facing the front of the car. You can see the pipe comes down, maybe catalytic converter, and it comes around the transmission, comes down, then the two come together, and then there they are, the two Resonators. Very nice. They make for nice quiet cruising, but I want mine to roar just a little bit more. And so essentially what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a cut here and a cut on this side and replace the two with straight pipes. So let's do that. All right. Okay everybody, we're done. As you can see, I got my shades on, ready to go for a cool ride. But first, let's hear how it sounds. Now, it is the next day. Didn't feel like doing it last night. I got tired, etc. Time to rest. Costume change. Let's see what it sounds like. I'm gonna put this up here. Here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. So, there you have it. Resonator delete. It's a little more aggressive than it was in its stock, but still, we can relax and have nice sounds. Now, time for that ride. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on a Moose Made video.